We're in Fort Payne, Alabama, heading to Desoto State Park for a primitive camping trip.
This is the downtown area, and it is so cute.
The primitive camping area is gated. They give you a key when you sign in at the front desk.
They said bear interactions are rare, but we did get raccoons in our trash can every night.
This is the picnic area of the campsite, and it's also got a bathroom, a pavilion, and picnic tables.
We chose campsite number 1. It was the first one on the left. Is it even camping if you don't make s'mores? They do sell firewood at the little shop, but we chose to collect our own.
This is the Boardwalk Trail, not far from the state park office. The boardwalk is a couple hundred feet long, and then it branches off into separate trails.
Some parts are a little rocky, but our 3-year-old had no problem. This was the first waterfall that we came to. It was a little weak, but I'm sure it's better after a good rain. This was my favorite rock. Look at that beautiful moss. It was so soft.
Indian Falls is across from the boardwalk. I like how you have like a natural shelter behind the waterfall. Again, this one will probably be better after a heavy rain. Finally, the best of the 3 waterfalls that we've seen, Desoto Falls. It's probably about a 15-minute drive from the primitive campsite. This waterfall is 104 foot tall, and it's one of Alabama's tallest waterfalls. There is a trail that leads down to the bottom, and people were swimming down there. The trail heads a few miles back from this site. Overall, this was a good trip. We definitely plan to come back this fall because there was so much we didn't get to do, like visit Little River Canyon. The campsites were super clean and well maintained. There were about 16 single campsites, 3 group sites, and 1 wall tent. There was also a small cabin on the site. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and remember to leave no trace.